Hi, everyone. Happy Friday. I've been quiet this week because I had surgery on Monday, but I wanted to jump on quickly and share an update in the parole in place litigation, which is that last night, two motions to vacate the extension of the stay were filed by the interveners, who are the families and the nonprofit organization who want to join the lawsuit, as well as by the federal government, USCIS. And what the motions to vacate are basically saying that there was no reason for the U.S. Court of Appeals to have extended indefinitely the stay that had been put into effect by the district court and that was set to expire on September 23rd. So they are separately asking the court for the same thing, which is basically there was no reason for you to extend the stay. There was no reason for you to pause the approvals of PIP applications any longer than September 23rd. And so they're asking the US Court of Appeals to basically unpause the extended pause. The interesting thing about the government's motion is that they are suggesting to the court that if it doesn't want to unpause um, approval of PIP applications that are pending with USCIS nationwide, then it should only pause adjudications or approvals for cases that are filed in the state of Texas. And the reason for that is the state of Texas is the only state that's actually arguing that approvals of PIP applications will cause it harm. So the government's saying if you won't unpause it for all applications, then at least unpause it for everyone except those people that filed in the state of Texas, because their state is arguing that they're going to be harmed if they receive approvals. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if and how the state of Texas responds to these motions, and we will see what the court decides. As I've been saying before, it's a personal decision. If you want to file for parole in place, you have to decide that as a couple, as a family. But if the Court of Appeals agrees to unpause the extended pause, then theoretically, parole in place applications could start being approved. But we'll just kind of have to wait and see what happens. Meanwhile, the case is still scheduled for oral argument on October 10th in the Court of Appeals on the motion to intervene.